Welcome guys. So how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver? So first you have to come to this website gigabyte.com, and then this is search button, and then enter your model number B550M DS3H version 2, and then hit enter. Click on product. This is your motherboard and click on support. Select operating system Windows 10, 11 if you any. So installations process same. Audio. So this is audio driver, this is version, and this is size. Okay, just click to download. And you click to download button, and after that you can start downloading. So it is completed. Just open it and double click to launch, which is exe file, and then click to yes. Now this is first extract, after that installed. Now this is installing. Install Realtek high definition audio driver. So it will close automatically. This is install, and then close it.